Welcome back. State-owned Airports Authority of India has decided to change itself as an enterprise by bidding for the new facility at the proposed Mopa Airport. This is the first time that the organization will be bidding itself against the competition from the private sector in building the new proposed airport. Airport Authority of India will bid for the proposed airport at Mopa. As per the report, board has given approval to the AAI to bid for the new greenfield airport in Goa. Very soon, AAI will be registering the interest for the project. The deadline for this is February 12th. The state-owned agency is operating the Abuli Airport. As far as operations are concerned, AAI may hire consultants or have a new joint venture partner to improve services further. The official said AAI may bid for other new airport projects as well. The state-run organization has been overshadowed by privately run world-class airports that have sprung up in the last decade or so. AAI says it too has the ability to build and run modern airports. Airport Authority of India likely has to compete with about 15 large domestic and international firms that have shown interest in building the new airport at Mopa. Domestic as well as international companies have expressed initial interest in the new airport. Mopa Airport is proposed to be built in 4 phases at an estimated cost of Rs 3,000 crore.
जे private bidders bid करूंक सोदताले तांणी सरकाराक प्रायवेटली सांगून की हो प्रोजेक्ट मोपा एअरपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून तो कमर्शियली बी वायबल ना म्हणून तातूंत सिरियस एनवायरमेंटल आनी सिक्युरिटी कन्सर्न्स तांणी काडिल्ले आहा हे आमी सदां म्हणीत आहात आनीक हें आतां कशें तरी जावपाचें कशें तरी हो एअरपोर्ट करूंक जाय कित्याक हो एअरपोर्ट एक जॉयंट वेंचर बिटवीन स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट एंड नाव द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट आनी कसो तरी हो एअरपोर्ट बुलडोज करूंक जाय म्हणून एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीक पयलेंचदां एक स्पेशल पर्पज व्हेहिकल करून हो एअरपोर्ट प्रोजेक्ट बीड करपाक लायला हें हाजेर सिद्ध जाता.
Bureau Report, Prudent. The High Court has directed Goa government and CBI to file status report of investigation in alleged foreign funding matter. Petitioner in his petition has contended that both BJP and Congress parties have accepted foreign funding from foreign companies Sesa Goa and KSK Energy. The petitioner also contend that this alleged foreign funding is connected with multi-crore coal scam.
During the hearing before the High Court on Monday, petitioner in person Kashinath Shetye contended that the Goa police has not submitted the status report of investigation in alleged foreign funding matter as directed by the court.
That KSK Energy, the coal block was allotted to in Chhattisgarh to Goa, which was given to KSK. KSK is a full foreign company and KSK had donated 4.5 crore to BJP as a foreign funding and 2 crores to Congress. So I had made a case on them to CBI. The files have been, in coal scam, the files have been 63 files have been handed over already to CBI.
On behalf of the state government, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni contended that Panjim police has registered FIR in this matter and it is under investigation.
High Court is directed to file a status report by the CBI and by the Goa police on foreign funding.
After hearing, the High Court directed Goa government and CBI to file its status reports within 2 months. A reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.